Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating another DIY nails tutorial using the Beetles full cover nail tips, which I'll have linked down below. This look is super easy and beyond beautiful. I hope you all enjoy and thank you to all my subscribers. Love you all. Here I'm just applying my peel off coat, and by the way, this is only if you want to take them off right away or you only want to have them for a short period of time. If not, always remember to prep and prime and add a base. Here I'm using the L.A Colors Base and Top Coat. The base is used for priming and protecting the nails, and this 2-in-1 was only $1 at Dollar Tree. Here I'm filing the nails to create a flawless finish while applying them onto the nail plate. This helps give the illusion of a plush blended look. Now I begin to file and shape to my liking. Now I begin to buff to remove all the shine from the nail and also leave it super smooth for application of the polish. So here I'm just taking the L.A Colors base coat and top coat, and I will be just using this as a glue to apply the glitter onto the rest of the nails. The pinky ring, I did want it to be the darkest shade of all the nails, so I did apply 3 coats of glitter in total, and for the other 2 nails I only applied 1 coat. So you're gonna see the difference in color, and it just all came together so beautifully. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for all the love and support I always receive down below. It means the world to me down in the comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And by the way, guys, let me know what you guys think about this look down below. Till next time.